popular resort hotels in towns almost invariably provide swimming pools too, even though the whole wide ocean.
Good morning. I think I just suffered severe damage from jumping on the bed like that. We're delusional. Today is our last day here at Disney. We have to pack up our room.
That's gonna be a disaster.
Guys, our room is a mess. Like, it just always has been. Like, we walked in here, we blinked, and all of a sudden, like, our stuff was everywhere. So we need to take care of that. After we do that though, we're going to Ohana. And neither of us have ever been, so we're very excited. So yeah, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom after, run around, whatever. But yes, be sure to follow along if you wanna watch us be insane because we're so tired.
Yeah.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
We made it to the Poly! We're here! We're gonna go pop in the gift shop really quick and then go eat at Ohana. Guys, we just had a revelation.
I've eaten at Ohana before, but I mean, I was like 4, but like I remember.
We got seated, we saw Lilo, great vibes. They're out of pog juice.
Thank you.
Hi, guys! Hi, Pluto! Alright guys, smile! You look really good, really good. I feel like it looks like you didn't eat any. Oh yeah, they do have a vegetarian platter here. So I got a vegetarian one because I'm pescatarian. So Mickey's on his way.
He's in a dad shirt.
Ohana is so good.
That was so good.
Are stuffed. I ate so much food. The characters here are so fun. I love it. I think it's worth the hype.
Third, and calm, sheltered heart to lull you into blissful relaxation.
Look who we found! We're gonna go do Splash Mountain, and this may be our last time ever. Bittersweet because I'm excited to see what's coming next, but I'm also like, I have so many memories attached to Splash, so I'm not gonna film on the ride because I just wanna soak it all in, quite literally
so
for the last time. But
So sad.
we're gonna see if we can do Philhar Magic because I haven't done it since they added Coco. We've only done it one time, so this is like, I don't even remember it, honestly. Hi, we're leaving now. It's just so chaotic here.
Too many strollers.
Too many kids.
Too many people.
Yeah.
I can't.
We have had an amazing trip here at Disney World. I'm so sad that it's over, but it'll live in these videos forever. So we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.